2.7 proportions. Proportions is setting two ratios that are equal to one another. So for example, 1/2 is equal to 2/4, which is equal to 3/6, which is equal to 4/8, and so on. So these are all ratios that are equal to one another, so they're proportional. So to solve proportions, you just use properties of equality to solve for an unknown part. So here we have 4/6 is equal to what over 15. So just like we had solving before, we want to try following procedure. First, we want to simplify both the left and right hand side. 4/6 reduces to 2/3. We can't do anything with the u over 15. However, notice I did leave a space after the equals. So now that we have this, the next thing is multiply both sides by 15 by getting rid of the number on the bottom. So this gives us 15 times 2 over 3 is 30 over 3 is then equal to u, and then this simplifies to 10 is equal to u. For this problem, I'm going to check to see that it works. So to check this, all I'm going to do is substitute u back in. This gives me then 4/6 is equal to 10 over 15, and we know 4/6 reduces to 2/3, and we also have 10 over 15 reduces to 2/3. So 10 equals u is the correct answer. Next one we have then 8 over b is equal to 2 over 5. Well, we are going to try, we can't reduce either side here to start, however we're going to try to solve for b. First thing I want to do is rewrite the problem, and again notice I left some space for the equal sign. So the first thing I want to do is get b from the denominator to the numerator. So I multiply both sides by b. So this gives me then 8 is equal to 2b over 5. Next then, I have to multiply both sides by 5 because I want to solve for b, and that gives me then 5 times 8 is 40 is equal to 2 over b. And then finally, divide both sides by 2, and I get 20 is equal to b. Another way to do this one is the cross multiplying. Cross product, might have heard it as that way before. So basically I have a variable on the bottom, and I don't want to deal with variables on the bottom, so I am going to cross multiply, meaning taking the bottom left up and over and the bottom right up and over. So this is then going to give me 5 times 8 is equal to 2 times b. And this gets rid of the fraction, and it's the same thing as on the previous problem, except I combine the first two steps. Now what I have then is 40 is equal to 2b, and then I divide both sides by 2 again, and this gives me 20 is equal to b. What happens is I just combine step 1 and step 2 to make it a little bit quicker.